guys are going to have a lot of fun today, starting by checking in with our friends at Four Seasons Sunrooms.
Can I use my existing furnace to heat my sunroom?
Generally not the best idea. Your thermostat in your home doesn't really know this room exists. Therefore, it's not really going to control the temperature the way you want it when you need it. An independent source is usually the best idea, whether that's a fireplace, a heat pump, split unit. So there's many different variables and options, and that's something that we generally determine during the design and engineering phase of this project.
Can I use a sunroom all year round?
Absolutely. These rooms become just like any part of your home. You get to enjoy them 365 days a year in beautiful weather and not so nice weather.
Would a sunroom be a good investment?
You know, we get asked that question quite a lot, and the answer that we've come up with is name one thing in your home that you can use every single day for the next 10 to 15 years of your life that you love and enjoy, and when you sell your home, you get all your money back and then some. I guess you can ask yourselves, is it a good investment?
Well, that's awkward. You're still watching. Well, if you are, you better subscribe below.